Okay, y'all, listen. Can y'all hear me? Listen to me. I don't eat fast food like this, so when I tell you I am like feeling ill, but I had to figure out, I had to see what all the fuss was about. So before I dive into this Chick-fil-A sandwich, the chicken sandwich, now I did the deluxe one because I wanted the tomato, the pickle, and the cheese. So there's two differences here. Popeye's chicken is $3, let's say $3.99 for a sandwich that's very, let's just say if you eat a lot of dough, if you like flour and you eat fast food, it's very economical, and I mean it's okay. It's not a bad sandwich. I prefer their chicken. Now Chick-fil-A is more expensive. This sandwich was $5.75, and it's by itself. It does not come with any sauce on it. So I got the ranch and the buffalo sauce. The Chick-fil-A sauce is not good. It has a lot of sugar in it. But the ranch and the buffalo sauce, which has no sugar in it, I mix it together because y'all know I need some hot sauce to it. Now, there's another thing that I noticed about this particular location that I will applaud, is that even though some of the policies and practices of Chick-fil-A I do not agree with, but it's one of the only fast food locations or locations that I've seen that has black people working here. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it's owned by a black woman. The franchise is owned by a black woman. And she has black people working here. Now, the Popeyes had not one presence of black people, but all black people eating the food. A lot of black people there. Is, definitely not diverse at all. So that's one of the other things I've noted with this location. And it's also very, very beautiful. Let me show y'all. So it's a very nice looking location, okay? All right, y'all. So here we go. I'm gonna bite into this thing. And also their bun is not as good as the bun at Popeyes. Okay, so here we go. Oh Lord. All right, I had to lick my lips first. Okay. Oh, and it looks like there's a pepper jack cheese on there. Oh, it is. Okay. Wait a minute. No. Oh my God. Well, there's that one. It tastes like the chicken was frozen and deep fried. It's absolutely horrible. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go and get my money back. So now y'all know. I don't understand, but that's why I teach you how to cook your own food, so that you can know what's coming and going through your body, and you don't have to subject yourself to this food. So that's it. Gangsta Chef here. So I'm going to be letting you guys know about my meal plans, the keto meal plan. I'm going to be doing, the Gangsta meal plan. I'm going to be doing keto, low carb, and regular. I'm going to be doing 3 days, 7 days, and a month. And when I tell you the way I cook is very, very healthy, you already know. Well, y'all don't know it's satiating, but it is. And it's here's the thing: is it money back guarantee? I guess, but no, it ain't. Y'all just gonna like it. So I'm gonna put some information here: 3 day, 7 day, 1 month, and it's gonna be keto, low carb, or regular. And if you don't like keto, don't be chiming in on my page talking about keto. That's what's happening right now. So you get to choose. You get to choose keto, low carb, or regular. And remember, any regular food can be converted to keto. Okay? So that's my review. I done went across town and went on the wrong damn train and went through all this so that I could show you, so I can taste what the fuss is all about. I love y'all, and I will see y'all tomorrow in the next video. Mwah. Hey, hello. Remember, if you eat right, if you think right, you can't help but feel right. Now that's gangster. So today, I had no gangster food today. Nobody got the gangster award. So there you have it. I'll see y'all later.